Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an acrylic nail video. These are some Lilac Ombre Acrylic nails I did the other week and I thought I'd show you guys. So I'm going to start off with my dehydrator, followed with my acid-free primer. And today's video is, I guess, an infill or redesign. These are nails that I've filed back, like I've filed all the colored acrylic off, and now I'm going to do a redesign over the top. So here I'm just filling in the nail with some clear acrylic, just so I've got that clear base again if I want to change the design next time. I'm sorry I didn't include all the prep work in this, I guess, video. I didn't think I was going to film it, and then kind of halfway through I'm like, I guess I'll film it. So I didn't include like taking the shine off the nail or anything, or filing off the colored acrylic. So this video is just kind of short and sweet, but I thought you guys might enjoy watching it. So I'm just going to fill in those nails like I am, and then I'm going to go in with my colored acrylic, which is the lilac color. I haven't used too many colored acrylics. I felt like this acrylic was a little bit patchy, but I haven't used any other brands, so I can't really compare it to anything. I've heard people say like certain colored acrylics can have marbling, so I'm assuming that's what they mean, like it's kind of patchy and inconsistent. So I felt like I had to keep kind of building this colored acrylic up, which was a little bit annoying because you can only build it up so much, because after this I do go in with the cover pink color, and then obviously I cap it with the clear acrylic, so you can only do so much before they get a little bit chunky. I think I managed to pull it off and they look really nice, but I don't know if I would recommend this colored acrylic. But yeah, I don't know if they're all like this. If you're like a nail tech or someone who uses acrylic, yeah, just let me know, because I would like to know. I feel like I didn't take a breath during that whole thing, and I'm actually really puffed out now. But anyway, when I go in with the lilac acrylic, I like to start off with that color first. I just find it blends easier for me personally, and I see a lot of people do this as well. So they go in with their colored acrylic at the tip, blend it back. I like to use it quite wet when it gets to the back of it, just so it really dilutes the color. And then I go in with my cover pink, which is this one here, and then blend that over the top. And I feel like that creates a really nice blend. And then afterwards, I'm going to cap it with the clear acrylic, so when I go over and file, I don't wreck that kind of blend in between. So here I'm just shaping up my nails. After you go in with acrylic, you can lose a little bit of the shape. So I'm just really crisping those edges up, and obviously the ends of my nails. I didn't include all the other filing, like over the top and the buffing and all that kind of stuff. I don't know if that's something you guys want to see. Like, let me know. Sometimes I feel like it can be quite lengthy, so I will cut a lot of it out. But if you want to see me like doing the cuticle area and everything, just let me know. And here I'm just applying my glossy top coat by the Sienna Rose Collection, and I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds and put cuticle oil on, and that's pretty much it, guys. I wish I could do my nails as quick as these videos are done, because you know, this could take me like 2 hours, especially using my non-dominant hand to do the other hand, and this video is literally 5 minutes, so it's kind of sad. But I do love doing nails, it's so much fun, and it's really bad doing your own because you always want to be really extra and change the design like all the time. But anyway guys, if you want to see some more nail videos from me, just let me know. Leave me suggestions on what type of nails you want to see, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye!